Less yard, less maintenance. Stop scrolling. This video is for you. Sit back and relax as we tour our third American Legend home in Wellington. You'll see the special benefits of living on a 40-foot wide lot, a home with, well, easy care yard with a big design. Then you'll hop in the car with me. We'll drive around the community so you can see why people love living in Wellington and why right now may be the best time to make your move. Oh, by the way, if you haven't watched part 1, then you'll want to catch up on that after this tour. Are you ready? Homes on 40-foot wide lots give you the space you want, the style you love, and a yard that's easy to enjoy. After we finish the tour, we'll take a drive around the community to see the great benefits of having a yard this size and why people love living in Wellington. There are 13 floor plans on this size lot. This particular home, the primary suite, is near the front door. That's a perfect location. No one sneaks out here. Do you prefer to soak or shower? As a standard, you will have double sinks and a large walk-in shower as you see here. Maybe you prefer the option to have a tub and shower, but adding the tub will take a bit of your closet space. And look at this closet space. But not to worry, we've got you covered. There's more. Check out the second closet. If I could choose one word to describe this kitchen, it would be practical elegance. Okay, 2 words, but who's counting? As a standard, you will have granite countertops with the option to upgrade to a different stone. 42-inch upper cabinets, Whirlpool appliances, and a selection of decorative tile for your backsplash. Ready to make your move? Let's connect. There's no shortage of storage here. In fact, imagine storing and stashing all of your must-have finds from Costco, Sam Club, or wherever you stock up. Now let's take a look at the rest of downstairs. If you've seen my videos, you know that I always try to show you closets because if you're like most people, closet space is just as important as the place you sleep and rest. Let's talk flexibility. You can change so many standard features into custom options, such as having stylish tile adorn your bathtubs and showers. And speaking of tile, as a standard, your flooring will have tile in the kitchen, laundry, high traffic areas, and wet areas. And if tile is not quite your style, you'll have the option of flooring like what you see here. Now, let's take a pause for our station identification. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell with the DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize you can find out quite a bit online: bedrooms, baths, square feet, price. But what you may not be able to discover is how people really live their lives in our different communities, cities, and suburbs. Well, that's where I come in. I hop in the car and I drive around so you can have the bird's eye view, VIP access of how people really live their lives. And if you like to be in the know, then you're going to want to subscribe below, press the bell. You'll be notified anytime anything goes down around town. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Now back to the video. This is probably the most valued feature upstairs, a place to store everything, keeping upstairs as presentable as the rest of your home. You know exactly what I mean. This is your optional game room, or you can add walls to make this a media room. Upstairs, you have 2 more spacious bedrooms and a large shared bathroom. Ready for your next home? Let's talk. This plan has about 2,700 square feet, 3 bedrooms with the option of a 5th bedroom. Now that's flexibility. If this home feels a little more than what you need, you can choose a plan ranging from around 1,600 square feet up to a little more than 2,800 square feet. Prices starting under $400,000 to nearly $500,000. Let's take a look at your outdoor space. As a standard, you have a fully sodded yard, irrigation system, privacy fence, and landscape package. This is a 40-foot wide lot. And in this neighborhood, size doesn't matter, especially when the community is an extension of your backyard. Let's hop in the car and I'll show you exactly what I mean. As promised, here's a look at a few homes on 40-foot lots. These have rear garage access through the alley, which many people feel creates a cleaner streetscape without cars lining the driveways. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And here's the park, an extension of your backyard, along with the coming soon pool, playground, and clubhouse. Subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. Seeing is believing, and in real estate, what is already built tells the real story. As we drive through the established sections of Wellington and Haslet, pay attention to the consistency, the upkeep, the feel. Because what you see now is the blueprint for what's coming next. Let's park and take a closer look at the clubhouse. Cover seating, grilling stations. It's not just a nice place to see. It's a space to enjoy, to gather, to use. Multiple play areas, a resort-style pool, and another pool already underway in the newer sections. Touches like this separates a subdivision from a community. Paved walking trails wind throughout the neighborhood, and with water features along with a pond, they add calm elements that make a community feel elevated and established. This is more than a few sketches or computer-generated renderings. I'm giving you a bird's eye view, a clear picture of the quality and expectations of living in the newer sections of Wellington. There are beautiful homes built by a variety of builders. Clarity reduces the risk of moving into a brand new home in a brand new community without really getting a feel for the layout. Hi, I'm Tracy Sorrell for DFW Life, and I help people just like you sell and buy homes in and around our Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And I realize finding the square feet, the bath, that's the easy part. But knowing where you want to live your life, not so easy. Today, you probably have Wellington and American Legend on your short list. And if you feel like these homes could feel like your home, then comment below, grab one of the one-on-one consultation links so together we can discover the best place for you to create your new memories and call home.